started it first when it actually started in Venice, Italy, with Carnival. But anyway, Mardi Gras has gone all over the world. Louisiana is spread all over. We are very fortunate for only the second time in the Crew of Louisiana's history to have King of the Crew of Louisianians. To you, sir, on behalf of Mr. and Mrs. Dohmann and I, to you and your wife, congratulations.
Look at that. There we go. There we go.
If you hadn't figured it out yet, I used to narrate parades and I used to do all this. I sat down this morning and I tried to trace, starting with the Hamer family, the Hoover family, then there's some Connor people involved in this. And I went to the Patterson crowd. It was all hands on deck Saturday night. We had aunts, we had uncles, we had great aunts, great uncles. We had godchildren. People I saw born. It was a huge, heritage. And I must say, it was spectacular. Thanks.
Well, you know, it's the whole Washington thing's still kind of a blur to me. They keep you going pretty well for 4 days, but it's been quite an experience, and I think this kind of prepared us a little bit for it. We had some idea what to do.
Yeah.
It was a great time, and to everybody here, I know everybody's had a great time. We're family. We're mostly family organizations. It carries on from one generation to the next, and I think some of us are now looking down 2 generations. Our grandchildren are now in this group, and so everybody having a fantastic Mardi Gras.
Here.
Very much for the flag.
It was Brenda's idea.
One of the last things, Valerie, 35 years ago, honey, you remember that night?
I remember that night.
We walked around that full as maiden do, not as a couple.
No.
But we did it. Honey, let's toast.
Ugly as
Let's
hell.
toast. Who would have known? This is where it started.
35 years ago, Jesus.
Okay, we had a king of Nike who stayed king for 5 years. Dohmann, where you at?
Wow.
We only had to pay once.
That's 5 years.
Mrs. Dohmann bought an empty plate. Eat and drink.
And be merry.
Eat and be married.
Eat, drink, and be merry.
Be married.
And I want to thank Nelson.
I gotta take a picture of the flag. Yeah, they like to go right there.
Yeah, come on.
Congratulations. Happy Mardi Gras.
I figured it's about time I finally did it after coming to it for years. It's kind of hard to beat this.
Mama's like, I'm going over.
Exactly.
Allison Billy Pecoraro.
Here.
Dr. William A. Safaroo Jr. Mardi Gras started at their address in 1914. That's 1914. 1914. It's old. Billy was so glad to get rid of that house.
The Storm, Morgan City.
It's so cute.
That's called the chalice cam.
Have y'all taken?
Chalice cam,
Hey,
bro.
have y'all taken a shot every stop?
Every stop.
Yes, at least.
What shots are y'all
At least we do.
taking?
Patron and sometimes Fireball.
All right.
Fireball for losers.
Hey, baby.
Hi.
Hi.
For the 18-year-old.
Huh?
Fireball is 8. I like Patron.
It's because it. Hey.
How much Patron?
Victoria asks how much Patron we've done.
Did y'all do all 5?
No, just one shot.
One shot per.
I don't know what kind of relationship y'all are
Only
in.
one shot per
You're
stop.
engaged, so we've had a shot at every stop.
Yeah, everyone.
You have to live the
Do you
truth.
have more though?
Do I have more Patron? Yeah.
Okay.
In my ice chest, I'm gonna go
Do you
get
need
it.
anything?
I think I'm good, baby.
You sure?
I'm about to go get my ice chest.
I left all your pens and koozies in the car.
I'm about to go pick up my ice chest and put it in the car. Do you want to come help me do that?
No.
Okay, well I'm gonna go do that. I love you.
Who went to the ball and then got up for Galton?
He was a rock star.
And Galton, you run outside.
We'll see you later. I appreciate y'all.
Keep me posted.
Come on, Connor, be in it with me. I think Miss Tracy told us.
Oh wait, Liz is taking. Hey, Coop, I'm about to go put my ice chest in the back of your truck.
I already did. I put it inside the truck.
Where's that beer? That was right next to it.
Still in the back of the truck.
All right, I'm gonna go grab that. It's my chalice cam.
Happy Mardi Gras.
I was at Tyler Louviere's house the other day whenever that fucking dump truck spilled his hydraulic fluid. I was getting ready to leave and I'm like, is that Mr. Marino walking around outside? Because like it was so funny. I was sleeping at his house for the weekend. I was taking a nap and I heard some talking outside. I looked out the window. The first person I saw was you walking in front of the street. I'm like, oh, I guess some bad shit happened.
It was just freaking hydraulic all over.
I know, it's crazy. It's crazy. It was good seeing you, man. Yes, sir. Yo. Having a good one. Great one. I'm about to go pick this stuff up. I'll be right back.
Okay, I have a favor. I did not get one of your pens. Do you happen to have any extras? Or does your mom have? You sure you got enough?
All right, we're on the
So many.
Thank you. Thank you, baby.
Hey, Coop, where's your truck at?
Right by that building over there.
There's a lot of Chevys in this parking lot. It'd probably be better if you showed me. Can you drive? All right, I'm probably gonna ride home with you, me and Victoria. All right, come on. Come show it to me.